Okay, I know Brother Wilcox, you said we didn't have to post the second one if we got cut off, but we're going to post it anyway just in case because I haven't gone back to see if the first one took. So I'm waiting for Emily to join me here. See if she's joining. Okay, so I'm just texting her. So we were stuck on the quiz on, oh gosh, question 10. Brittany's batting average is 0.300. We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats. So, Emily's still not here. Let me see. Emily. Anyway, we'll wait for her. Okay, so it gives you the p value, or the p, I shouldn't say that. And it gives you the sample size of n. And then I want to know if she'll get the probability she'll get more than 35 hits. So let me look at the sample here. Let me figure out the probability. Okay, so I think you have to find the probability. So we're going to solve for p hat, I think. We did solve for p hat, but I'm really confused by that. Oh, come on. No, where's Emily? Okay. I did. Sorry, been sick. Still sick, but better. Sheesh. Okay. So I'm gonna send her another invite. I'm not sure why she didn't get the last one. And I'm just looking at some problems ahead because actually I'm looking at the same problem. This lesson doesn't have a ton of information, which I was kind of happy about, but now I don't think I am.
Hey, sorry.
Okay, so p hat equals x over n.
You there?
Yep.
No? Okay.
Yeah,
sorry, when you called, I was still in the other conference call or whatever, and then when it asked me to select and drop the old one and accept the new one that you sent, I selected the old one on accident. So
I wouldn't normally broadcast this because he said if we get cut off, don't post more than one video, just post one of them that show that you were on it. But I'm afraid that the first one didn't take for some reason. I had it broadcasting, but I don't trust it. So I've been broadcasting, waiting for you. So we are currently broadcasting, and I'm still confused. I've been looking at this. We need to know the p hat, and the only way to solve for that I don't remember is what we did. So
Yeah, is what we did. But I'm just wondering because is x so when it says x over n, is x the same as p?
Regular P, yeah.
Is it the same?
That's what I'm understanding because it is. Where am I at? It is. Of course, that would give you a freaking example. Anywhere.
Because I just wanted to make sure it was, I mean,
let me look here.
I guess I shouldn't spend so much time on it. We could just do it. And then if it ends up being different, we can figure it out after.
It says here, it says the mean of P hat is equal to P. The sample portion.
The mean.
Hold on. The sample portion P hat is normally distributed if n is large. The true population mean of the random variable P hat is mean of P hat equals P. And the true population standard deviation is standard deviation with that square root formula. So let me go back up here. So it is large enough. We have.
Sorry, I was just watching the. He's doing one that's kind of similar on that video, so I was just watching it here.
The tutorial.
The part 2. What has part 1 and part 2?
Yeah, I watched that. I don't remember.
So he solves the standard deviation.
How does he get P hat? So anyway, if
he uses the same. He doesn't use P hat. He uses P for the standard deviation. He just does. So it's like we would do like 0. Was it 0.3? Oh no. Okay. Now when he's doing Z, he's talking about that right now. I'm gonna watch and see what he does here.
I'm sorry, buddy. You're a good boy. Mm-hmm. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, honey. I watched his videos and I don't remember. Z squares. Okay.
He comes up with 50%. I don't know how he did that.
Yeah, I know. That's because they're wanting to know one candidate
Oh,
or
one
the
or
other.
the other.
Yeah, 50,
so that
yeah, 50-50.
that's equal. Yeah. Okay.
Huh.
I don't know. Sorry. Do you want to just try and do it? But I was just trying to see if I could see where it was saying that X, when you plug in for X, that you can plug in that 0.3. I don't know why I have doubts about that, but.
Well, probably for a reason, but I just don't remember anything that said that P hat and P are the same. I don't remember that, but and P is not the same thing as the standard deviation. Let me go back. So it says P is the population proportion, right? And then U is the population mean. Start this unit, we will look at data that has 2 categories. That's what we're doing. So quantitative and categorical. I even wrote down, I followed one of his, I mean, these notes are directly from the video for the most part. So.
Yeah, mine too. I just don't know why. I don't know why. I just feel like I didn't learn this or something.
So P is the no.
Okay.
P hat's the probability proportion. And P is the, no, I'm confused. What the heck? I just had it in my head, now I went out. So if we stay on the same path, how do we figure out the z-score with what we currently have, right? So the z-score, I'm just going to
So
see
we
what
would take 0.00 minus 0.3. And we
Okay.
would, and then we would divide that by the standard deviation that we got of 0.046, right?
Yeah, divide it by the square root of n, which would be 100. And what's the square root of 100 again? I have to.
Well, we already figured that out, right?
Yeah, but I
Like
don't remember.
the standard deviation that we got for answer on number 11 is the bottom portion that we divide into
Right, but I still need to
0.
know. I still need to know what the square root of n is. Do you know it?
Square root of n.
The square root of 100. Isn't that this? Z equals x bar minus mu over standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
No, because we're doing categorical instead of quantitative.
Well, yeah, but if, okay.
I don't know. Because I have a z-score calculation for categorical and I have one for quantitative. And because we're already doing categorical, like we've been solving for categorical on question 10, 11, and then 12 and 13.
Hello.
It seems like it's doing a lot worse today for some reason.
So you have to do the square root. Well, no, hold on. Oh, gone it.
So I have z equals pi hat minus p divided by the standard deviation, which we figured out in question 11 of 0.046.
Yeah.
Is that what you have for the formula?
Yep. I don't think this is all right, but
I don't either, because I don't know. We get a negative when we take that, we get a negative.
yeah, get a long funky number.
But I guess it can be negative actually, because then we plug it into the probability applet.
Yeah, but you're not finished. Are you finished the calculation out? Because you have 0.00 minus 0.03 over
0.046.
or 6, right? Divided by 100, right?
No, I don't divide it by 100 because
that's what the formula is.
When we do the standard deviation, we do the p times. It's the same thing. Like so, you're taking the standard deviation formula and you're putting that beneath the one that you're dividing by. But we already figured that out in question 11, so we don't have to refigure it again. We just put the answer from question 11 as the denominator, and then we just do the 0.00 minus 0.3 on top. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I know what you're saying, but I thought the 0.06, yeah, it is standard deviation. So then you're saying 0.00 minus 0.03 equals negative 0.03, and then we divide that by 0.046, right?
Yeah, but I have 0.00 minus 0.3, not 0.03.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm confused. Okay, that's what I knew. I was like, something's wrong here. I can't figure it out what it is. Okay, so 0.00 minus 0.3 is negative 0.3 divided by 0.046, right?
Right.
And then you have to do the square root of that number, which is negative 6.52173911304, right? You have to square root it.
I'm not square rooting it. I don't know if I wrote this down. Let me look at it again.
Oh, no, I see what you're saying. No, you don't have to do that. So,
Okay.
okay. So negative 0.3 is the number, the z-score, and then you plug that into the probability applet to get the, but it's not asking for that. It's asking just for the z-score though, right?
For the z-score, I got negative 6.522. Is that what you got?
Yep, hold on. I forgot. I just erased my calculator, sorry. So negative 0.03, no, I did it again. 3 divided by 0.046. Negative 6.522.
Uh-huh.
That's what I got. I kept putting in the stupid 0.03. I was stuck on that.
No, I've done that before too.
But that, I don't know, that number sounds funky for a z-score, doesn't it?
No, not necessarily. Because z-score, well, we just have to make sure.
As long as it's still, even though it can be like
askew,
it would still be under the applet, right?
Because you would write it, it's negative, so you would put it on the negative side of the applet,
right?
Or the left side. But we probably should get more.
But it's outside of the Bell distribution. It's giving me that funky probability. I don't think it's.
Yeah, I don't know. We're doing the steps right, but I'm just wondering.
We should skip that and go to another one and come back. When I work on something for too, I mean, it's up to you. When I work on something for too long, I can't.
Yeah.
I'm done. I got to move on and come back because my brain's like, I have nowhere else to go.
Yeah. On 13, should we skip that one too? What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at bat?
Yep. So,
Okay.
well, let me ask you, would 35 hits out of 100, would that be 0.35 or would that be 35% they're looking for? I guess that's, no, that doesn't make sense. Probability, never mind. Sorry.
No.
I'm going to plug my phone in real quick.
Yep.
Hey, Scott. Never mind. I can't yell down to you. Oh, sorry about that.
You're fine. No problem.
I thought going back to this stupid homework because I feel like I'm just not understanding.
Okay. This is something to put in. I feel so lost. I'm sorry.
Hold on. Hang on one second.
We have. So I think we do 35, or sorry. Let's 35 divided by that.
I watch these videos. I understood them, but I don't understand them now. Hmm. Hmm.
Minus
Sorry.
which was 3
It's getting on my nerves.
divided by
Do you want to cut the video off and then we can go look at it and just come
work
back?
through it. Yeah, that's fine.
Let me just shut the video off here because, okay, so we're starting a little bit with some of the stuff we thought we understood it. So we're just going to take a minute and review it and we'll come back. I'm not going to post another video, but anyway, thank you. Good night. I'm going to stop the broadcast, okay? And then
Okay,
do you just want to, I'll
well,
just
on
send you
this
another
one,
link.
yeah, when we get ready to do it. I just,